Allah's name I begin with the most kind, the most merciful. In this video, I am going to tell you about Durood Sharif. I mean to say excellence of Durood Sharif. You know that, friends, we are Muslim, okay? And we love our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and our heart has devotion and love and affection of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So you know that I would suggest to you, you should recite and you must recite Durood Sharif upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now I am going to tell you a hadith. The Prophet of mankind and the peace of our heart and mind, the most generous and kind, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, has narrated, anyone who recites salat upon me 3 times in the day and 3 times in the night, due to love and devotion for me, Allah Azza wa Jal will forgive the sins he committed during that day and that night. Subhanallah. So I will request you that share this video with your friends, with your relatives, okay, and with your companions, okay, and get reward.